So I've not done any covers in a while, so this is one by Zach Bryan, and this is Madeline. Oh Madeline, how you been? I've been waiting round at darken, and I saw all your friends, and you weren't there. And there's a picture of us holding up a picture of our favorite beer. I'm trying to slow down this year, can't hold it like we used to. I ain't never felt as lonely as I do tonight in this nice hotel. 1,200 miles from that ship motel, you kiss me softly in